You guys ready for some more scrapbooking? I am absolutely. I'm going to do another 4 for 4 series called Scraps Not Included. You guys do not need to see me cut paper up, so I'm just showing you how I cut them up. This is the first paper, and it's from Echo Park, called Sunflower Market. I love this paper, and I picked it out specifically to use with my Camp Crazy pictures, but then I got so many other pictures to use, so we'll see what I end up using. So the first thing I did was cut a 3 by 12 inch off of the side, and then I cut the strips off here for 2 3-inch strips off the top of it, and I cut those down to 3 by 3s. And then that left me with my 6, I think it's 6 by 9. Yeah, 6 by 9. So that left me a 6 by 9. So that's the first paper we're going to be using. This is a good one also if you have a lot of scraps, that you can use your scraps for that. Okay, the next one that I have is this green from the same Sunflower Market. And what I did with this one, and look at the back of this paper. So we might be able to use either side, so we're going to see. But what I did was I cut two rows of the 3 by 3s again, just like this. And then the last row I cut up and I put into 2 by 4s. 2 by 4s? 2 by 3s. Sorry, 2 by 3s. So that's the paper number 2. So that's 6 4 by 4s. And I'll have all this listed too down in the description below, the numbers of the cuts and how they're actually cut up on the paper. I just didn't think you guys wanted to watch me cut a bunch of paper up. And this is my 6 by 12 piece of paper that I'm leaving as is. Now paper number 3 is this gorgeous stripe. And what I did with this one was I cut a 1 by 12, and then I cut another 1 by 12. And then these are 2 by 2s, and then 2 by 4s. So that's how I cut the paper. Again, I'll have that in the description, how to cut it up. I just wanted you to see the cuts, and then we're going to put them in the piles that we're going to use them. The last paper is this, I don't know, like a cranberry color almost. It's an Echo Park Sunflower Summer as well. All these papers go beautifully together. And what I did with this one, I cut a 1-inch strip off, and then a 5 by 12 inch strip, and we had a 6 by 12 inch strip left. So now that the papers are cut, let me show you how we're going to place them in a pile. This is gonna be so much fun, guys. I always like doing different kinds of layouts. I don't like doing the same, just using the horizontal. I love those, but I like doing different things. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to grab our 3 by 12 of paper 1, and then we're going to grab paper number 2, paper number 3 and paper number 4. It's going to kind of like that. We'll see. So that's layout number, I don't know what order, but that's one of the layouts. All right, the next layout, we're going to need 5 of these. You guys see this coming together? I'm so excited. So, and then we're going to need paper number 2. We're going to need 4 of the 3 by 3s. So that's going to be for layout number, or one of the layouts. This is our second layout we're ready for. All right, now layout number 3, we're going to need, oh, that's this one. This one's going to be fun too. This one, let's see, we need 2 of these, 1 of these, and then we need our 2 by 2s on this one. Third layout. That one's going to be so cute. You guys know what I'm missing. You know what I'm missing. All right, now, as I move along here, layout number 4, paper 1, the 6 by 9. We need paper number 3, which is this one, and we need paper number 4, the 5 by 12, which is this one, and then we want to grab paper number 2, which is this one. We want these right here, and that's going to be for our 4th layout. And our final layout is going to be this one, and this one, and this, and these 2. That's our cuts. I will leave everything down below. I'm getting ready to get on my pictures and get ready to get started. I'm super excited to get all these layouts done. I hope you guys join me. We're going to be doing one of these series every single month, God willing. We're just going to use scraps. We're going to use our paper. We're going to get pictures done. We're going to get memories shared. I hope you guys stick around and join me. Hit that alert button so you won't miss the next video. And I will talk to you guys soon. I'm so excited. Bye, everybody.